Hi everyone, so I'll show you how to fix your dead pixels on your phones, pretty much on no LCD and OLED displays. So as you can see, this is Motorola. I had a little dead pixel right here. It was just a black spot, and then I used this software, like I downloaded from the Google Play Store. If you go to Play Store, here's the app. It's called Dead Pixels Test and Fix. So I downloaded pretty much Dead Pixel Fix right here, and work really good. So you pretty much click fix dead pixels. There's commercial always. It takes like 5 seconds usually, or this one doesn't take anything. So make sure you don't look at the screen. Leave it for like maybe up to a couple hours. So it always depends on how bad is the pixel. So it might take 10 minutes. It could take like up to a couple hours, or leave it overnight. So once you start, it'll just do this stuff. As you can see, like a weird screen. It'll be fixing your pretty much screen. It could take hours, like I said, to fix your dead pixel. So just leave it overnight. Make sure you plug it in the charger, and it'll be fixing your pixels. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know if it worked for you. It worked on my Galaxy S8 and S7 Edge before, so I just did on this one, and it worked too on Motorola Moto Z3, as you can see right here. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.